Messenger without my phone.
Without your glasses?
Yeah. So like if I go to look at the last time you were active, that number, I can no longer read it. I have to change the font on my phone or make it bigger.
That wouldn't hurt. Your phone font is very small.
I used to like it small because I could see more on the page, but I could read on the page.
Yeah, no. Now, oh, fuck.
What?
This idiot behind me doesn't have his headlights on.
I don't think I don't think she realized. Or he.
No, it's a she.
She definitely doesn't realize it then. Flip?
Oh, yeah.
Go next to her and tell her.
Your lights are off. Okay, there we go. Whew.
Oh, you can see her now?
Yeah.